It's spring. Everything is growing. How about your business? I'm Tom Obus, and I'm here to tell you about the Shift Workshop, a program to help your business grow in just 4 weeks. We're meeting in May, every Wednesday from 10 to 11:30, and it's all on Zoom, so it's from the comfort of wherever you are. We're working together with the small business development centers at Pace in New York City, at Rutgers in New Jersey, and at Farmingdale on Long Island. And thanks to our sponsorship from Investors Bank, everything is free to you. So take a look, click the link below, find out more, and sign up now. It'll be great to have you. My colleagues Edna and Stefan will be telling you about some new features we have on sustainability and diversity and inclusion and how they can help you open up new avenues for your business. Join us. See you in May.